Sweep, reclaim, retest. Sweep is correct, reclaim also correct. Test also correct, but entry is a bit late. But it's overall pretty good. Yeah, this is a better way. Sweep, retest, entry. Yep. Sweep here, reclaim here, retest here, entry here. It's good. Wait, can I use bridge voice? Are you still on? So the problem here is that it's right. Basket agree trends. I already put them in different baskets. No sweep, reclaim. Oh wow. It already has skip reasons. Okay, so this one is good. There we go. Back. She's lagging. So here we can reclaim, no retest, bad contact, missed time till there. No, I can't really. So this is wrong. So how do I fill this in? The problem here is that we already have a sweep earlier that is also a signal, right? At 11:40. So this current sweep is not a real sweep because it holds that initial support, right? Like you cannot have two sweeps in the same level. A sweep should only happen once. Let's see if it still takes a while to process. It seems like it. You get a bearish retest here. But I'll do it for another time. Hello, Marusha. Good morning. Are you also fabling? Fable 5ing? So that's a skip. Yeah. I'm working on two projects right now. Well, one is a trading stack and the other is a fusion router model. Well, fusion router program. The idea is basically to build anything good, right? So that when Fable is gone, you can use Opus and it will outperform Fable. But it's quite a lot of work. Right. What's this? Level sweep, yeah, not really. Too expensive for little performance, chilling with Opus. Yeah, wait. Yeah, I mean, yeah, like, oh, right. Fable 5 is really expensive, but they reset the limit, so I have 2 max accounts. But technically I have 4 Fable max accounts because they reset yesterday and one of my accounts got to 0. I used 100% in 12 hours because that account reset 30 minutes ago. And then I have another one which I'm using right now is that resets on Sunday. So I'm using that Fable right now, and then I still have 2 more Fables. Yeah, like even the Fable 5 low, right? Like you should use this instead of Opus if you're using Opus. This Fable 5 low is better than Opus Max and it's cheaper. Unless you're using like Opus Medium. Like Opus High or Opus Medium, right? I don't focus on a single agent. But it's doing different. Like this one is exporting Discord chat logs and grading. This one is working on theta, gamma, data, because I had before, but Opus is kind of stupid to figure out, and this one is working on the side project. I mean, there's not really a reason to focus on one. Like, I need to get all my Fable usage in. Yes, the reclaim is a bit weak. Retest is fine and okay. Sweep is good, retest is good, reclaim is a bit weak. It's good. Better would be reclaim here. So 20. 25 yeah, this is managing my trading bots. They're kind of dog shit, so different setup. This is higher low. It's not really a sweep because your sweep happens here and the right is a bigger sweep than your retest. This is your sweep and this is your retest. Or this is a good area, so sweep is here, retest is here. Current trade works, but it's not a clean reclaim. Downtrends. That's technically correct. So this one is filterable just by downtrend. This one is a bit. This one works, but it's not really great wouldn't take it, but it's not bad. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about. Wait. This is also different because this is overnight low sweep, right? This is good. It's of a different beast than our normal sweep reclaims, but since this is an overnight sweep, overnight low sweep, reclaim probably different baskets. Did it put here? Tiny sweep range, spring bottom catch. But it's not the same bottom catch as the others, is it? Yes, it is, because it's a downtrend. But here you're sweeping this overnight low, and the others you're just sweeping the relative low. This is kinda a bottom catch, but not the same as the others, since you're sweeping Asia low. You're sweeping different relative levels. So where do I put this? What does range spring even mean? Okay, I think I gotta go back and put these in baskets. So this is trends. Put trend on this one. This one is range. Why is this so? This one is range. This one is bad, not the setup. This one is wrong level. I skip it, what did I see? Good morning, Abdo. Another 45 minutes. Okay. Exporting Discord messages take a really long time from spammy chats. Look at this guy. 8 of 12 items done. Yeah, I used most of my Fable like for really big tasks this night because I had a reset. So this one we can just use it while kind of chilling a bit. But yeah, if you have a reset, you should soon you should use Fable. Even on Fable low or Fable medium, because this is the same Fable but with the Fable is the same but just different safety threshold. So like debugging is one that it does very poorly because it gets blocked for a lot of debugging stuff. The level isn't accurate. This doesn't look like a V shape. Wrong level. Not the setup. There is a different setup here. The reclaim is entry. Try to be a bullish down to buy a downtrend break, but it fails. Right. This one is good. This one is trending upwards, right? Yes. But trend fee, is it safe? Yes. This one was the big one. Wire time span. I don't know where to put this one. This is kind of swing. Tiny sweep, momentum reclaim. No, no, no. Bottom catch? No. I don't know where to put this one, but it... I put it as take because it's good, but it's a different setup, so I'll have to put it in its own basket. Wait, this is a bottom catch, I'm sure. This one is good, but it's range. Actually, could be uptrend also, but it's a bit weird. Could be range or uptrends. Range or uptrends. I will redo some because this is still unsure. Should we skip? 7. This should be under skip. Should be skip. Safe, yes. Take, skip this. This take, sure. This one is good. It's a good level. Good level to have identified, but the reclaim, retest, entry are a bit late. There is a range, sweep, reclaim, V setup where the sweep is, but the range spring is too wide. Smaller, but it's kind of difficult, right? Sweep range on the same sweep, but the retest becomes at 740. Okay, what the fuck is this? Wrong. No sweep. Wait, let me also fill out this. What is this? No sweep. Quick reclaim. It's not, it's a double sweep. So I put other. This is I'm not sure. This is downtrend, but it doesn't have it. I put other. I will put take, but the entry, we can work a lot on the entry for this one, but we'll put a stake for now. This is wrong. Why is it? Why is it detecting this level as a sweep for bottom catch? I have a cat wall with a bridge, right, where I sleep on sometimes. I have two cats. Normally, the other cat is on the bridge, right? That's where she usually sleeps. But now, yeah, normally cat 1 is on the bridge, but now cat 2 is on the bridge. And now cat 1 is a bit mad because cat 2 is on the bridge. Okay. On my lap? No. You mad? You need to bully her away. You need to bully her off. Come here. Come here, you fatty. So something went wrong here. I think we don't have a filter for the levels where it's identifying the sweep, because I am seeing a good level, right? However, we have traded below that level a significant amount of time. So right now it's actually trying that same level where it waits for a reclaim of the level, then it waits for a sweep, right? And then another reclaim, and then a retest, and then an entry. Technically this trade works, but it is not a sweep reclaim, or it is a sweep reclaim at the wrong level. I'll put this as unsure because maybe it's a different basket. I don't know what this voice program is so bad. Everything is so buggy. Can't wait to finally use my own fucking ID. what's this? This technically works. I think it's valid, but it's technically a downtrend. So I'll put it as bottom catch. Technically valid, but we lost the uptrend by a good amount, and now it becomes a bearish retest. But it's still going, still going, still going. Remaining in flight. After is review and commit some 7 minutes will launch the streets file for most of whenever you say go. Can you tell me what's currently been implemented by you and what you mean with the first real measurement is 25 AA not? It's benchmark testing or for baseline, or what do you mean? Alright, so this is the same, right? We had before, right? I mean, you can all see that the sweep is here and the reclaim is here. Okay, so here the level is kind of wrong, but the trend also kind of works, but this is a higher time frame sweep, right? Like we get a nice uptrend at what, 940, 945ish, right? The sweep becomes at 1120 to 1135. This is like a 4 candle sweep, so it's a little bit, takes a little bit longer. But you do break all the EMAs and all the trends, right? You do break horizontal support there. However, not the one that's been identified by the system. And then you get a nice retest where our sweep actually is at 1200. Is actually where the retest is and where the ideal entry becomes. So it's trendy, but it's wrong. So I'll put unsure, I think, or skip. Maybe it's a skip even. Skip wrong level. Yeah, I think I put skip wrong level because technically it's the wrong level. Will the safeguard flag this message? Us? Let me get this first. Convoys. Okay. Engine readability. Verify hardening, plumbing, bench, budget ceiling, token usage. Benchmarking, okay. Benchmark purposes noisy. Yes. What I need from you? Yes, no, spending 25 on that first calibration or no, or your rule for okay, is this still running on? Switch back to Fable. Wait, okay, I need to change this. Switch false. Really need to. Okay. So our message got flagged. I'm not sure what you need from me. It got flagged mid-conversation. Try to word it differently. We are not here to break any rules. We are just building out our own SaaS. And yes, you can run the benchmark now. Scrap the overnight rule, run it in parallel so it finishes fast, relatively fast. Okay, so this goes wrong level. Skip. Okay, but what is this? From this level? Bruh. This level is not valid for a sweep retest. It's a good level, but not for the current setup. This is just clearly skip. Okay, this is good, right? Levels, but this, why is this sweep here? Good level, good setup, but can't it's a bigger if we sweep reclaim? The sweep exists out of 4 candles. The reclaim, the sweep is from 9:35 to 9:45, and the reclaim is 9:55. There's no real retest, but a small dip to buy at 10:00, which is good enough. So again, what? There is a sweep. What? Nothing we're doing breaks the benchmark. Approved and queued. Engine readability, verify hardening, pre-order, plumbing, bench budget, silicon usage, benchmarking. Okay, the benchmark purpose is noisy. What I need from you is an unspending. Why is it flagging this? Guys, it's still running on. Switch back to Fable. It's okay. I need to change this switch false. Really need to. What? Verify your own product's command injection defenses. I can't even pen test my own fucking product? What do you mean? Okay, Gemini. I need you. Fable 5 is flagging this message. Help me help me analyze it. But why? Log spam. System is checking if the codebase engine is stated yes, yes. Why is it? The root cause the switch false dilemma. The crucial part of the dilemma is to the ends. Okay, then done. What is most likely tripping it is me quoting the raw shell meta character test payload for baptism in prose. I'll describe security tests abstractly from here, what they prove, not literal payload string. I'm not gonna use Opus, it's fucking shit. GPT 5.5 is better, maybe ask it. Okay, so what do I do? I feel like the message I got was jumbled, like it was edited, right? Hidden edited to not show what it does. This is kind of fucking weird. Feel free to use GPT 5.5 for this because Opus 4.8 is stupid. Okay, I'll try again. Okay, so let me go here first. Export is done. $1,000 trade alerts. All Sapphire messages record the virtual context. Community alpha script. Okay, that's good. It's probably gonna be best alpha we have. Good level, good setup. It's a bigger vSweep reclaim. So ensure. What's this CLI? It's I can show it to you. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's from this guy. But I don't have chat open, so I can't link it. It's pretty good, but it has quite some bugs. Like it comes with a few programs. The voice program is a bit buggy for Windows because it times out, and after it times out, it sends the messages. You can't really scroll up in the terminal, and the copy pasting is bugged. But it have you have a task board, right? You have a memory system. So it has a task board, it has a memory system where the agent itself can access it, right? They can work from it, they can read from there, organize from there. And then you can use different terminals right here. You can use your existing subscriptions here, right? 6 terminals, add AI agents. Call out codecs. I don't think bridge code works yet. You can use Grok. Yeah, you can use a lot of things. Yeah, it's a bit small, but yeah. My screen is too big. Yeah, you can use your existing subscriptions. But I'm working on something better because, I mean, this software has quite a lot of bugs. This message got flagged. Continue with. Yeah, I'm working on something better. Still very early. Okay, I want to see what it's. Send feed. I will send you fucking feedback. Feedback. Hold on, I need to send this report first. Flagging a normal safe message. I am building my own software using FABLE and keeps flagging stuff. Please fix CBA to work like this. GG. Alright, send this. This session. Submit. Confirm. Close. Okay, so now what? Can you write a hand file for a new agent? Need to transfer because the CLI is blocked by safeguards. It's gonna go through. Right. So yeah, here I'm working on my own IDE that's smarter, kind of like Open Router, Sakana, like just a better terminal. I'm building strategies. I've been trying to build different strategies to trade automatically using Claude, but it's not. Yeah, so what I was saying. So I have some strategies, but they're not very good, right? Like, there are a lot of good strategies out there, but Opus doesn't really capture them. So right now I'm trying to have a baseline system, right? This is sweep FEG, sweep reclaim. So the idea is that, right, stop hands and then it reclaims. Like here you can see what it detects. And then I have to say if it's good, if it's bad, right? And then it kind of changes its code based on my notes. So I need you to make the hand of good and clean because FABLE was disabled. Bullshit reasons. So don't do any work yourself, just put in all the notes that are needed to be read by FABLE. I'll try again. It's good. It's been okay. I mean, just working on the algos, right? Working on the automation process. Takes quite a long time. Like, I know a couple people like that have their own strategy and are able to automate this, but finding like alpha or finding strategies where like using Claude is impossible. Okay, so this is working. I need to open a new terminal here. message. I have another account, but I got 3 more hours. I'll put on X high for now. Hello, please continue from this handoff. Is good, but this level is bad, right? Like, this level is too old again. Is it taking for? It's taking even from the previous day. Yeah, but on the current day, this will not actually. Level is too old. It's from the previous day, however it does work and it is a nice sweep reclaim retest, but you can also take it from 1325 and 45. So technically sweep, reclaim, retest, and 3 are correct. The level is correct, but it's from previous day, where we do have some issues with other trades being incorrect. So I put this as tick. Yeah, this is the same thing, right? Like, this is not the level. No. So this level is not valid anymore. I'll just put this wrong level. And this was a agree, this was a nice, this is a bottom catch. It's a bottom catch. Kind of a tiny sweep. I don't know where to put this one. It says bottom catch, but it's a combination, right? Basket here is bottom catch. It technically is a bottom catch, but it's also a tiny sweep and possibly even range bounds. Right now, let's just skip. This is special. This is not a sweep reclaim. This is just a downtrend earlier than breaking and establishing a uptrend. Maybe I put something out, but the level isn't wrong here. Just bad context. Yeah, I don't want to put everything on the wrong level because then it will get confused. Now, this is very good. This is pretty good. The retest the entry can be better, but it's correct detection. This is strong game. Momentum reclaim. Whoa. I think so, but it's like different setup, right? Technically it is a momentum reclaim, but it is a way bigger sweep, right? It's a sweep that lasts 2 hours, so I'm not sure if we want this in our detection, in our sweep reclaim system, since this is a entirely different setup, right? There is no real sweep here. There is only a reclaim of the current level that's being tracked, right? It's a good level that you did identify. However, it's a different setup, right? So this would just be reclaim entry based on the break above your current marked level, which also breaks the downtrend and establishes uptrend. So this should work. Well, I'm not flagged yet, so we'll see how that does. Alright, this is almost done. I'll have a look in a bit. I'm gonna wait for this text to pop in. Come on. Okay, I see BAT is this checking. Oh, now it's good. So I put also skip. Okay, so this 80 megabytes pure chat messages. Wait, maybe I don't need to use effort. Okay, so this is Same shit, right? There is a nice setup here. Why it's not capturing this one here? There's a very huge effort, yes. I'll be a bit careful with my daily usage. Sweep reclaim setup at 755 sweep. The range is around like what? Low 5510 5507. And the reclaim is okay. Around 810 and the retest 40. The current setup is just sweep, that's way too old. Like at the start I see 3 touches. Wait. Touches 2, 3, 4 are correct. Right. It becomes a level. So touch 5 also happens, but on touch 6 this like level isn't a level anymore. It's not like like levels don't last forever. They become invalid based on different conditions. So this is skip right to have the right setup. Bad context. Wrong level. It's another wrong level. But bad context. And let's skip. Some coffee kills. So this is still going. Is this working yet? Think so. And this is also still working for over 1 hour. Usage 70% over. So this is sweep, reclaim, entry, retest. Yes and no. I think you can draw it on a different level. Why did it say that? I didn't even use it. I need to close this before I shut down. It's annoying. Bridge for 45% CPU. What? Okay, wait. Skip the level. Skip this one. Why did I skip this one? Pressed V. I didn't. Okay, so where's the level here? 1050. Why? What? Bro. This PC is bugging the fuck out. Maybe I'm hacked. GG. Hacked. Hackerman's we're in. So you were here, right? Yes. Again, it's coming from an older level, however, it works. But I think there's a better level closer to us, like this one, right? The 10:05 low. However, current sweep, reclaim, retest are correct. Entry is also great, but the level isn't really what it should be. Basket bottom catch. Do I agree with the bottom catch? Yes. This is a bottom catch. Okay, this is just garbage. I don't even know what to say. Tiny sweep. It's a tiny sweep, but it's not a level. You sweep it here too. It should be enough for now. Should have enough labeled. Okay, working. This also. Alright, good chill a bit. Wait, can you retweet broadcasts? Lol. So yeah, this is what I'm building a side project, like it's a Sakana open router clone, but better. Basically all in one. Pricing is insane, but this is like max effort, no? Okay, let me check the file here. Didn't link path yet. Grammar is right. The level life cycle is the main gap. Second sweep at the same zone as well. Answer in whatever form is easiest, or if it's faster, show me on the chart. Grade a few more. Touch card window. Your great suggest levels are alive at 2 to 5 touches and dead by 6, 7. No, that's not really what it is. Touch count window. It's not really about the touches, it's more about whether level is still valid. Like if price breaks it once, like 3 or 4 times, like the level is just not valid. It's not about the touches. Prior day levels. For prior day levels, I think you can get the same results. It's I'll wait until it seasons to reply. It's doing 2 things at once right now, which is not the best, but usually you want to split 1 task per terminal. But I'm technically working on the same thing, so it's kind of fine. Okay. Do you want to have a look at the Discord messages first or later? You want to work? Touch it on a deep level. $114,000 messages. Okay, back to grading. Can you give me the questions again? Is this still on? FABLE. I think so. Wait. After the level has produced 1 sweep episode, when is the second sweep at that same level valid? In 2014 skip, you cannot have 2 sweeps at the same level. If it takes below prior day sweeps, fresh steps taken, hold above prior day low, not a sweep. I think it's this one. So it doesn't matter once per day, but it might be a good safety filter. I think it's deeper, but not 100% sure. Prior day levels. It took 38 from the previous day levels. Yes, but yes. I think you can also get the same levels from closer days to the sweep. If not, try keep already levels but downgrade. Same session only if untouched. Try only if untouched. Not 100% sure. Sleep duration. For 5 candle sleeps you took 2 hours on your call extremely different setup. What's it per pound? I don't think there's a wait. There is a time strict. It's probably up to 6 bars, but I'm not sure. I never counted Bearish local tape. 11. You skipped the technically correct spring because I noticed in the downtrend. Should the local downtrend context be a hard gate or sizing penalty? Can use the trend tracer / EMA as a bear gate. We can backtest later with this on versus off. Try a bunch. Taking over. Can't see it. Just double checking this. Hard cap, I wonder if it put down anything about the flag. I wonder if this one still works. Hello. Okay, yes. So that's currently working. Can you check if it's did everything that was needed, including the things that blocked you? That's that got flag. Yeah, might have to swap soon. Okay. Okay, but what is this one? You unblock to keep grading. There are many trace examples from sharp and down. There is an active variable. Yeah, do a little more. have to swap soon. This one resets in 3 hours, so it's 4 p.m. It's Sunday morning. And this one resets in 2 hours. Oh my god, 80% in 2 hours. Yeah, I'm cooked. Cooked by daily usage limit. Whoa. So I want you to pause this after you're done for a bit. So I need to keep my usage. Security work that tripped is fully done and committed. Yeah, nice safety features. Understood. I'll finish the in-flight commit cycle and pause without launching the paid benchmark, continuing to finish line now. Yes. That's what my handle got wrong. The handoff claimed only uncommitted to work. The working tree was more. I'll return to this later. Yeah, I think I just put. Right, that is mining from Discord, but it's not. Doing the grading. Yeah, FABLE is pretty smart for this, like Discord messages. Okay, so I keep web. Alright, go for a little bit longer, but not too much. Hands on approved, I'll make the 4 commits. In the hand of locked and pulse as requested. Okay, thank you. 24 grades deliver the payload and diagnose the dominant failure mode and produce rulings. Most of the remaining identify you redocumenting the same still back 10 more times. Store information. Rebuild the detector base, retrieve everything you root. Deeper only receipts and anchoring. So for the V3 base rebuild, I want you to build a couple of different ones because there are more than one ways of coding the same strategy, right? But it will give different results. So we want to start from the best baseline possible with the most right traits, the best MFE, MFA statistics, right? We don't want to start from a sloppy, weak base. Let's put this in. Opus is really good at making shitty strategies. It's insane. Idle, 1 minute, 1 minute. Still running. Best promotion on stream. Wow. All mining is done. 1 queued. Build agent's mandate is now 4 complete encodings in the same spring. When repaired by your grade and with quality. Pool, wick, fair stretch, sub range. Exactly what your alignment with. Yes. 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 Affirmative landed. Question answered. Okay. Okay, so what did we find? See if we got anything. Selection plus management at 80%. Before encoding build is running, when it reports, wait, it's not running. Did one of them upload any PDFs or or it's all messages, like any screenshots, pictures, examples of trades, any reverse engineering? Yeah, I'll just keep working on this for now. Not much else to do. Download is running in the background. Okay, legend by message ID. Worked examples versus the 9 screenshots in this brief was built from enough to verify selection threshold. Band charts, extract physics, yes. Yes, yes. For unknown PDFs. Indicator uses sometimes, but it's not really profitable as a standard. I think I'll call the stream here. There's not much to do for me. I also gotta wait for my usage and just analyzing some stuff. You can follow me on my Twitter if you want. This is the side project I'm working on. I will maybe stream Saturday, probably. I cannot stream tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.